Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. My name is Love and welcome back to the channel. So today I have came up with an PSU job update. The name of the organization is RITES Limited, that is Rail India Technical and Economic Service Limited. It is a Mini Ratna public sector enterprise, comes under the Ministry of Railways, Government of India. It works in the field of transport, infrastructure and related technologies. So this was something about this organization. Now vacancies has came for the post of graduate engineer trainee, and this recruitment process is occurring through GATE 2020 and 2021 exam only. Now before proceeding forward, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, then do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive the latest job updates. So let us start. All the links are given in the description box of this video. I have opened up this PDF to discuss all the important things related to the job update. So if you are interested, then please be with me till the end of this video. Now as you can see in the screen, the vacancies has came for the 3 posts, which are graduate engineer trainee civil engineering, for which total number of vacancies 25, graduate engineer trainee mechanical engineering, for which total number of vacancies 15, and graduate engineer trainee electrical engineering, for which total number of vacancies 8, and the vacancy distribution for each category is given in this table. You can go through it. Now next, age limit. So the minimum age limit is 21 years and the maximum age limit is 30 years, and the cutoff date for calculation of age will be 1st July 2021. Now the educational qualification required is, so if you want to apply for GET civil engineering post, then you should have done full-time BE BTech in civil engineering, so only civil branch is applicable. Now if you want to apply for GET mechanical engineering post, then you should have done full-time BE BTech in mechanical or production or industrial or automobile engineering. So 4 branches are eligible for this. Now if you want to apply for GET electrical engineering post, then you should have done full-time BE BTech in electrical or electrical and electronics engineering. So 2 branches are eligible for this. Now candidates belonging to general or EWS category should have minimum 60% of marks in educational qualification, and it is 50% for SC, ST, OBC and PWD candidates. Now final year students are also eligible. That means candidates who will be passing out in 2021 are eligible for the job update, provided they have obtained minimum 60% aggregate marks for general or EWS category, and it is 50% for other category candidates as mentioned in the PDF up to pre-final examination. So note down this point, it is very important. It is written here. Now some relaxations and concessions are given here. You can go through it by your own, otherwise video will get longer. Now coming to most important thing, that is selection process. So if you want to apply for GET civil engineering post, then you should have given corresponding civil engineering GATE paper and whose code will be CE. Now if you want to apply for GET mechanical engineering post, then you should have given mechanical engineering GATE paper whose code will be ME, and similarly if you want to apply for GET electrical engineering post, then you should have given electrical engineering GATE paper and whose code will be EE. Now selection process. So initial shortlisting will be occurring on the basis of GATE 2020 or 2021 scorecard, and after which your interview will be taken and final merit list will be prepared by taking 75% weightage of GATE marks and 25% weightage of interview. So if you have very good GATE marks, then your chances of selection will be increased. So all the things that I have mentioned are given here. You can go through it. Now one important point is there, that you should score minimum 60% of marks in interview for general or EWS category, and it is 50% for other category candidates. Otherwise you will not be selected for further selection process. It is mentioned here, so please go through it carefully before applying for the job. Now next, nature and period of engagement. So selected candidates will be on a training for a period of 2 months initially. On successful completion of training period, the candidates will be engaged as engineer in a pay scale of rupees 40,000 to 1,40,000 on probation period of 1 year. After probation period, a screening test will be taken. If you pass the screening test, then your service will be confirmed. Otherwise, your probation period may be extended and further actions will be taken according to the policy of company. So it is written in this paragraph. So note down all the points before applying for the job. Now next, remuneration. So your salary package will be around rupees 40,000 to 1,40,000 during the training period, with starting basic pay of 40,000, and after successful completion of training period, the candidates will be engaged as engineer with a basic pay of 40,000 plus some allowances will be added such as DA and HRA, and some benefits are also given here. You can go through it, and your approximate CTC will be 12 lakh per annum. Now you will have to also sign a service agreement bond for a period of 3 years after the training period, and the amount will be 1 lakh for general or OBC candidates, and it is 50,000 for SC, ST, PWD and EWS candidates. Now next, application fees. So the application fees will be 600 rupees plus taxes for general or OBC candidates, and it is 300 plus taxes for EWS, SC, ST and PWD candidates. So all the candidates will have to pay the fees. Now next, how to apply? You will have to apply through the official website of RITES Limited, that is www.rites.com. Now the detailed guidelines and procedure related to the scanning of documents, GATE scorecard, signature and other things are given here below in this PDF. You can go through it. Some contact details are also given here. So if you have any query, then you will have to send it to this email ID, that is rectt@rites.com, and you will have to mention your VC number, registration or roll number and your name. Now the important dates are, so the online application has already started from 30th July and the last date of submission of application form is 25th August. So if you are interested and eligible, then you should apply as soon as possible. So this was the job update that I have discussed with you today. Thank you for watching. I will meet you in the next video with new job update. Till then, goodbye. Take care.